Zoe TV.
A happy, whirring sound filled the air. It was the sound of an important operation underway. Zoe woke up from his afternoon nap and followed the sound, his little feet pattering softly on the floor. It led him straight to the kitchen, a place that always smelled of sweet promises and warm adventures. His mom was there, holding a big metal whisk, stirring a bowl of fluffy, white ingredients. The batter was thick and smooth, like a cloud in a bowl, and it swirled around the bowl like a gentle river. She was on a very important mission, baking a special, rainbow cake for a friend's birthday party. The kitchen looked like a busy, wonderful laboratory, with bowls and spoons and jars all around, ready for action. Zoe knew he had to help. This was a mission for a super helper. He ran to his toy box and grabbed his brightest red spoon. It was his special tool, and it was time to join the adventure. The first task was the ingredient hunt. Mom held up a recipe card with clear pictures of the things they needed: a big white sack, a carton of milk, and a shiny jar of sugar. To the pantry, she declared with a playful smile. Zoe's job was to find them. He became a brave explorer, his eyes darting around the kitchen like a little hummingbird. He looked high and low, his mind focused on the mission. He peeked inside the pantry, a land of tall shelves and secret treasures, and there it was. A big, heavy white sack on a high shelf, just like on the card. It was a little too heavy for him to lift, but he pointed with a triumphant smile, and his mom pulled down the sack of flour. Bingo! Next, he spotted the milk carton in the fridge, giving a little shiver as the cool air inside rushed out. He grabbed it with both hands, feeling the coldness. Found it, finally. He saw the shiny sugar jar on the counter, sparkling like a mountain of diamonds. Zoe proudly brought each ingredient to the kitchen table, feeling like a true hero. The ingredient hunt was a total success. Next came the great mixing adventure. Mom poured the white flour into a big bowl, making a soft, powdery snowdrift. Zoe got to add the sugar, which made a pleasant sound as it poured. Then he helped pour in the cold milk. His mom gently helped him stir the mixture with the big whisk. The batter became a creamy, dreamy swirl of white, getting thicker and thicker. Zoe watched as his mom divided the fluffy cake batter into smaller bowls. She squeezed tiny drops of red, yellow, and blue food coloring into each bowl. Zoe became the color mixer, stirring the bowls one by one with his red spoon. He stirred the red bowl until it was bright and bold like a strawberry. He stirred the yellow bowl until it looked like sunshine on a happy day. And he stirred the blue until it was as deep as the sky on a perfect afternoon. He stirred with all his might, watching the colors swirl and transform, mixing the white batter into something truly magical. He had made a beautiful rainbow potion, ready for the next step. After the mixing came the big bake-off. Zoe and his mom carefully poured each colorful batter layer into a round cake pan. They poured the red layer first, making a vibrant red circle, then the yellow layer on top, and finally the blue, making a beautiful rainbow tower right inside the pan. Together, with Zoe's little hands on the side of the pan, they pushed it into the warm, glowing oven. A wave of heat rushed out, but Zoe felt safe next to his mom. Zoe's eyes were glued to the little window in the door. He watched and watched, pointing to the clock as the cake slowly grew bigger and taller. He saw the red layer puff up like a tiny pillow, then the yellow, and then the blue. It was like watching a magic trick right before his eyes. A warm, sweet smell began to fill the kitchen, the most wonderful smell in the world. He waited patiently, imagining the delicious cake inside. Finally, the most exciting part of all, decorating the castle. The cake was out of the oven, cool and ready. Mom spread creamy white frosting all over the outside of the cake, making it look like a smooth, snowy mountain. Zoe's eyes lit up. He was in charge of the sprinkles. He grabbed a jar of rainbow sprinkles and became the sparkle dust sprinkler. He carefully shook the sprinkles over the top, making a sparkly rain of colors. He made a star shape with little silver candies right in the middle. The cake went from a simple cake to a beautiful, sparkling rainbow castle, ready for a celebration. As the sun began to turn the sky a beautiful mix of pink and orange, casting a soft, warm glow through the window, Zoe and his mom sat together and looked at their creation. Mom carefully placed the finished rainbow castle in a box with a clear lid, ready to be delivered to her friend. She gave Zoe a big, warm hug that felt like a comfy blanket. She told him,
"Thank you for being the best super helper and color mixer a mom could ask for."
They had worked together as a team to make something wonderful. Zoe's heart was full of warmth and love, knowing that helping his mom build a rainbow castle was the most delicious and exciting adventure of all.